Namaskar, and again all of you welcome in this online platform, the Nishulk IAS, where I Chandrasekhar welcomes all of you. As you know, here we are preparing for the UPSC IAS and UPPCS Civil Service examination, both in Hindi Madhyam and in English medium, along with the colored printed notes that has been provided to you in the description box that has been given through a link that has been given into the description box of the respected video lecture. In our dictionary chronology, the 5 words that I have selected for you are affirmative, afflict, affluent, affray, or affront. And this dictionary is for 15th of August, and many happy returns of the Independence Day. Independence Day is very welcoming to all of you. The first word is affirmative. That means a word or reply means yes. When somebody says something to you and you say okay, that means affirmation, affirmative, right? Positive action. This word is related to the positive action. In Hindi, हाँ करना या स्वीकार होती, to give your consent, अपनी सहमति देना, affirmative. Afflict, to affect in unpleasant, that is not according to my thinking. I was thinking something else and it is something else, unpleasant, and simultaneously it also got you negatively affected. Unpleasant and negative. When it starts affects you negatively, the situation turns into the afflict. Climate change is an issue which I think it is not pleasant, or it is some kind of unpleasant to my surrounding. But when I found that the flood has used to come in my city and this is not a normal behavior of the rainfall, then I easily came to know it is now affecting me negatively. To affect in unpleasant and the negative way, नकारात्मक रूप से प्रभावित करना. Third word, affluent. Having all good standard, all good standards of living. That means you are having a good amount of money, you are having a great standard of education, you are having a good surrounding of the peoples, those are responsible and accountable to you. You also having the good social relationship, and you are the admirer of the great Indian civilization and the culture. Having all good standard and the living, जीवन यापन के सभी अच्छे मानक होना, जीवन यापन के सभी अच्छे मानक होना, right? Affluent life is not something when the Ranveer Kapoor is got naked in the return of money, because he in the trading market, he has done his trade that you give me an amount of money and I will be naked for you. He maybe have a great amount of money, but he is not having a good standard of all the livings, because now that person is not that much respected by the Indian people or the citizen what he was entertaining before this naked act, right? Affluent. Affray means a fighting or the violent behavior, in public place. When the fighting or the violent behavior is not in the public place, it will not be dropped down into the category of affray word. Affray and affront. A remark or action that insult or offend. A remark, affront. He is affronted on me. That means He used some kind of the words or the remarks or the action that used to affront on me. He raised his hand to slap me, affront. He said, "Oh, you are a bullish, you are a bad guy." Affront remark. He raised his hand to slap me, action. That insult me or offend me. वाक्य क्रिया से अपमानित करना, वाक्य अथवा क्रिया से अपमानित करना, सार्वजनिक रूप से हिंसा करना, फाइटिंग, एफ्रे, ही एफ्रे in affront behavior on me, right? So affirmative, afflict, affluent, affray and affront. And today is the 15th of August. All of you are very, very welcome to celebrate this Independence Day of India, where we have completed the 75 years of Indian independence. Amrit Varsh. When you complete your 75th year of your age, that known as Amrit Varsh in Indian tradition and the culture. That's why this independence movement from the last 1 year used to be say आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव। आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता के अमृत महोत्सव की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। कल तक के लिए सभी को नमस्कार, जय हिंद एंड वंदे मातरम।